Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about estimation of poverty by social scientists, how they estimate. Today, we are going to discuss two topics: social exclusion and vulnerability. Social exclusion means the poor people who are not able to fulfill their basic requirement of clothes, of food, of shelter. They live together in very bad condition at the site of outside of the urban area and also in rural area where they live. That condition of that area do not remain good. In urban area there may be problem of water supply, cleanliness, electricity. These are, they live in a group. As the rich people, they get every facility, they live in better condition, their standard of living remain good, but the people, they are excluded, they remain far from the good condition of the area, or they live in slums which do not remain clean, and they fall ill and they are socially excluded. They live outside of the area that do not remain good. Then the next one is vulnerability. In society, who are most vulnerable? Mainly in our country, our society is divided in different type of caste, and the classes which is low or lower class people, they face more problem because socially they are discriminated, and also in present time their condition is not so good. And if any calamity take place, if flood comes or earthquake come or the fall in job, when the number of job decreases, at that time they all are mostly affected, they suffer more. Or sometimes due to terrorist attack, when curfew continues, at that time also they suffer. The next topic which we are going to study, it is poverty line. Poverty line. Poverty line is a estimation. It is a line by which the poor people is estimated, that who are poor and who are not poor. In this estimation, the main thing which we observe, it is their income and their expenses. How much income is required to fulfill their basic need. As time passes, the value of money increases and decreases. That is why this estimation differs from time to time, and also the value of currency money is differ in other countries when we compare our country with other country. That is why we estimate according to time and place. In our country, estimation of poverty is given in our book. In our book, the determinants are given on which poverty line is calculated. While determining the poverty line in India, what are the conditions on which we think? What are the conditions about which we think? They are their basic requirement, the food requirement, the cloth requirement, their footwear, and their light facility, water facility, education, and also their medical requirement. These all are kept in mind while determining about a poverty line. For their subsistence, the acceptable calories in rural area, they require more calorie because they work in farm. The calorie required for rural poor people is 2400 calorie, and in urban area the required calorie is about 2100. Then there is a difference in income also. Who are below poverty line, and what are their income, it is given here on the basis of calculation of basic needs. In 2011-12, poverty line was fixed rupees 816 per month. Rupees 816 per month. The person who was earning less than 816 rupees per month, they are called poor. They fall below poverty line in rural area. And in urban area, the person who are earning rupees 1000 per month, they are known as poor or below the poverty line. In this way, poverty line is estimated on the basis of people condition, that how they are not able to fulfill their basic requirement.